Hey, what's up, everybody? The price of silver and gold is certainly taking a beating today and really has been taking a beating over the last several days. We're going to get into on this video why that may be as I record this video on October the 2nd, 2023. Please consider hitting that thumbs up button on the video and let me know your thoughts, your opinions on the silver and gold movement in the comment section below. But as I record this video on this October the 2nd, 2023, let's take a look and see what these silver and gold markets are actually doing. Currently, as of recording this video, silver is currently down almost 2 3/4% or down 59 cents to $21, under $22. That's right, it is down to $21.68. Gold is down a little over 3/4% or down 0.76% to $1,835.30. Of course, these prices were all based on United States dollars. Chances are, if you're from a different nation, the prices are probably either a little bit higher or a lot higher. Let me know in the comment section below if you are from a different country. What is the price of gold and silver based on your currency? Why is silver and gold taking a beating today and really has been taking a beating over the last several days? It seems like just not too long ago, silver was pushing $23, $24 an ounce, and you can look no further than the strength of the US dollar and the rising bond yields. As I record this video, the US dollar index, the DXY, is currently 106.61, up 0.38 or up 0.36%. I will be referencing a Kitco News article from Monday, October the 2nd, 2023 at 8:14 a.m. Gold and silver prices are lower again Monday morning, with December gold futures hitting a 10-month low and December silver futures scoring a 6.5-month low. A stronger U.S. dollar and rising U.S. Treasury yields are bearish outside the market elements, pressuring the precious metal markets lower. December gold was last down $12.70 at $1,853.40, and December silver down 0.555 at $21.95. Risk attitudes are more upbeat to start the trading week, and that's also a negative for the safe haven gold and silver markets. In a last-minute effort to prevent a U.S. government shutdown, President Biden over the weekend signed into law a stopgap measure to fund the federal government for 47 more days through November 17th. Most of the marketplace figured the government would shut down over the weekend. However, the Senate, following a strong push from House Democrats, approved the measure in a lopsided vote. This 11th hour decision ensures the continuation of various government services and the payment of federal employees, at least temporarily. However, lawmakers still need to finalize the permanent budget appropriation plan to address the nation's financial needs. Let's pause this article just for a moment. How about the financial United States needs of paying down the U.S. national debt? That is currently, as of the recording of this video, now over $33 trillion and ticking upwards. But nothing to see here, I guess, folks. Let's continue on with that article. Asian and European stocks were mixed overnight, with Asian shares mostly down and European shares mostly up. U.S. stock indexes are pointed to a narrowly mixed opening when the New York day session begins. And as I'm recording this video, the stock market is open. We'll take a look at that just briefly. China got some slightly upbeat economic data over the weekend as it factors in September reported their first expansion in activity since the spring. China's Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index PMI came in at 50.2 in September from 49.7 in August. A reading above 50.0 suggests expansion. Report says Bank of Japan is closely watching the foreign exchange markets as the yen continues to depreciate against the US dollar. The key outside markets today sees the US dollar index higher. Crude oil prices are higher and trading around $91.25 a barrel. Meantime, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year note yield is presently fetching 4.631%. U.S. economic data due for release Monday includes the U.S. Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index PMI and ISM report on business manufacturing, construction spending, and the global manufacturing PMI. Several Federal Reserve officials, including Fed Chair Jerome Powell, are scheduled to speak today. Now, it's going to be very interesting to see what the gold and silver markets do after Jerome Powell speaks, because whenever Jerome Powell speaks, that is either going to continue the sliding prices of gold and silver, or it will bump the prices of silver and gold higher. And if this information is correct, it looks like Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. Article goes on to say, technically, the gold future bears have the solid overall near-term technical advantage. Prices are in an accelerating 4-month-old downtrend on the daily bar chart. Bulls' next upside price objective is to produce a close in December futures above solid resistance at $1,900. Bears' next near-term downside price objective is pushing future prices below solid technical support of $1,800. First resistance is seen at the overnight high of $1,864.70 and then at $1,875. First support is seen at the overnight low of $1,846.60 and then at $1,835. The silver bears have a solid overall near-term technical advantage. Stiff technical support layers were just below the market have not been breached. Silver bulls' next upside price objective is closing December future prices above solid technical resistance of $24. The next downside price objective for the bears is closing the price below solid support at $21. First resistance is seen the overnight high of $22.41. And then at $22.555. Next support is seen at the overnight low of $21.725 and then at $21.50. Before ending this video, let's take a quick look at the stock market. Then we will conclude the video by taking a look one more time at the silver and gold spot prices. As of the recording of this video, the Dow Jones is currently down a little more than 120 points. The S&P 500 is down a little bit more than 5 points. The NASDAQ is actually up plus 48 points. And to conclude this video, let's check out them silver and gold spot prices. Let me know in the comment section below, what is the price of gold and silver as you are watching this video. But concluding this video, silver is currently down 3.41% or down 75 cents to $21.52. Gold is currently down just a little bit over 0.75% or down $14.10 to $1,835.30. I appreciate everybody for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on the video, like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Don't forget about that Jerome Powell speech coming up probably shortly after the upload of this video. How is that going to move the markets? We will soon find that out. Thanks a lot, everyone.